Curtis, pnawn anodd?
Ie, yn anodd pnawn. Mae'n i dechrau, nhw wedi sgori, ond nhw wedi gwella o'r dechrau, ond nhw wedi rhedeg off gyda'r diwedd.
Pan chi'n edrych ar y tîm, mae yna chwaraewyr sydd wedi chwarae Pryden gyda nhw. Efo'n ar gwahaniaeth y ffaith bod yna chwaraewyr sydd wedi bod ar lefel uchaf yna?
Ie, mae yna gyda cwpl o players sydd wedi chwarae yn y Super League, a wedyn mae hwnna'n sy'n dangos wedyn diwedd y gêm am sy'n pawb wedi blino, a neb yw'r gwahaniaeth rhwng clwb nhw a clwb ni ar y funud.
Beth am yr achlysur y gêm y ffaith bod yna dorf sylweddol wedi bod yma?
Ie, os yn peth dda gyda'r dorf da, a mae'n neis i gweld y llun bron llawn. Gobeithio bod ni'n gallu chwarae gweddill y season gyda'r un dorf.
Ond i chi, mae angen buddugoliaeth arnoch chi rhywbryd yn dos na?
Ie, ni'n disgwyl am buddugoliaeth pob wythnos, ond sy'n cadw gweithio ato fe, gobeithio byddai'n dod.
Diolch am eich amser, Curtis.
Ie, mae'n iawn, diolch.
Mike, tough day at the office?
Yeah, it was a tough day, yeah. Can't fault the lads' effort, enthusiasm and commitment which you get week in, week out, but we just struggled a bit with our execution and they racked up a score in the second half. Half-time probably come a little bit too early, but we'll learn from it and we'll go from there.
What was the difference between both sides?
Just as I said, just a bit of execution. Them boys are a lot more experienced than our boys. We're still learning, we'll keep going and hopefully we'll learn from games like this and kick on as we go forward.
And in terms of getting that all-elusive first win?
Can't be far off, can it? I was hoping it could have been today. We had a lovely win here last year, but we'll keep working and we've just got to keep working and doing as we're doing. If we just keep improving our execution, as I've said, I'm sure we'll get there, but we've just got to keep working hard.
Tough luck and lucky.
Oh, thank you very much.